Hello my friends! Here comes the day you have been waiting for, the day of the draw of my giveaway 2000 subscribers. The prize to win is this page of Flourish by Johanna Basford that I colored entirely for you, and I just finished it. I added the water droplets on the sunflower's petals. It makes me very happy that you are so many to enter in the giveaway. The complete tutorial to color this page is available on my YouTube channel. I have 88 participation. I noted all of your names and also the illustrators you want in future tutorials. Those who chose Hannah Carlson can already be happy since I just released a Hannah Carlson tutorial in Daydreams. Some people are taken twice. It's normal. For example here, Jocelyn or Catherine, I had offered a bonus chance on the Blue Bee video part 2. All the people who commented that video got one more chance in the draw of this giveaway. I was very surprised by the number of participating countries. So before proceeding to the draw, we'll look on the map all the countries where you live. To begin with, of course, we have France. It's obviously the country of the majority of participants, because my videos are originally in French. We have 50 people living in France. The second most represented country is the United States of America, with 6 participants, and Canada, with 6 participants as well. So then we have La Réunion, here, UK, Australia. I have to move my map to show it to you, it's here. Pakistan, Quebec. I have a few compatriots here in the tiny little country above the France, Belgium. This is where I live. We have Colombia here. Elvire lives here in Cameroun. There is also Algeria, Mexico, which is here. And to finish, a large country where there are lots of colorists, Brazil. Without forgetting Chile, here, where our friend Isabel is, and the Netherlands, a small country just above Belgium. So as you see, the coloring community is all around the world. I make a little line that goes from my country to all yours, and when you see how far my videos travel in the world, it's really great. Now it's time to proceed with the draw. So for the draw, I'll share my computer screen with you. I'm using a draw application from a list. A winner will be drawn and you can see here all the names on the list. These are the giveaway participants. Watch out, drum rolls. The big winner is Kimmy K. Congratulations, Kimmy! You won my Blue Bee coloring page, and I will also send to you 2 uncolored printed sheets of that page, so that you can, if you wish, follow my Blue Bee tutorial on the same paper. So Kimmy is here on the list. Kimmy lives in the USA. I send this to you by post. I hope the parcel will arrive safely. To claim your prize, Kimmy, I need your mailing address within 15 days. For that, you have to send me either an email or a private message on Facebook or a private message on Instagram. I'll give you all these links in the info box. Thank you all for participating in this giveaway. All the nice comments you left made me really happy. I can't wait to see you in future videos. Happy colorings!